उठते बारा ना.
Yes, Kirtana, you can share the screen now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the team members just allow recording. Okay. So the team members who is sitting in US. Okay. So he is going to go to that US folder and then he is going to do the checkout. Software allare D drive ಹೋಗ್ರಿ D drive ಅಲ್ಲಿ software DevOps training ಹೋಗ್ರಿ folder. Okay. So now this is the folder. So now he has to do the checkout. First, you have to take that trunk to his local machine. Okay, because if anybody wants to start their initial development, they have to create a trunk here. Already I have created a trunk in the repository. Just they have to download that trunk. Recording kodi, allow kodi. Allow all, okay, for everyone, anybody asking recording, just allow that. Otherwise, they will ask tomorrow if they don't have recording. No, they will ask you only. Give the recording, whatever last class recording, all those things. Okay. So fine. So now you have this folder. So the developer who is sitting in the US is going to check out that trunk. That means right click on this white space, say checkout. You have a checkout option, SVN checkout. Okay. Say checkout. Checkout means you are getting that trunk to your local working directory. See, paste that URL. I think you have not copied the URL properly. Go on to copy the trunk URL. Yeah. Just put the URL here.
I'll just paste it here.
Not here. Where is that option? Put the Tata is down. Down there is a Tata is mark. See? Down. Icon. Tata is icon.
Mark.
Okay.
Yeah. Here you give the URL of your trunk. Okay. See, now wait. Don't go further. Okay. Just you copied this URL. Okay. This is the from where you are going to check out. Okay. And checkout directory where you want to keep this one. Okay. This is a D drive. Here you are going to keep svn_us. After this /trunk, you give /trunk. After US, not there, down. Yeah. First one is the from path. Okay. Second one is to path. No. Okay. Backslash. Give /space trunk. Don't give space, just give trunk. Okay. See, here there is head revision, all these things. Okay, I will come to this later. Just say okay. It will ask for the username password. See, user one which I have created, I will consider, okay, that user is present, that developer is working in US. Okay. Just give that username password, user one. User one, I give and read write permission full. That is why you give user one. Okay, uncheck this. Wait. Uncheck this save authentication. Okay, say okay. Say okay. Okay, others just mute. I am getting some noise. Except Kirtana, just okay. Others just mute yourself. Okay. So now say okay. ಕೀರ್ತನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನಾ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅದು?
हाँ sir. The auto.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಂಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಗೋ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಂಕ್. See, now nothing is there. Okay, just you are downloaded that trunk. That means when you say SPN checkout, it will transfer the data from server to local. Now it has appeared in local. Now create one file just. See, now you are a developer. Okay, user one is a developer. No, not required folder. Just create a file directly. Remove this. So the developer, user one is a developer. Okay, so he is trying to create one file. Just create one file. Text file. Notepad. Go to new and create a notepad. Okay, just name it as file one. Okay, just go inside this, just say, this is the development phase. Just type something. This is the development phase. Okay. See, the developer is writing this code. Okay, you imagine that this is a code. You don't know anything about, okay, programming. Imagine if you don't know anything programming, just write anything here. Okay, so this is the code I have written. Okay, save this. Plus close this file. Okay, now just I have created a file and written something here. Okay, so now I want to add this to the repository. Okay, now just go to the Visual SVN. Just go to Visual SVN. See, click on trunk. Just double click on trunk. See, nothing inside this. Okay, now this is a server. Okay, imagine this server is present somewhere else. Okay, minimize this. Developer doesn't know where this server is, but is accessing from Tortoise SVN. Minimize this. Okay, using the Tortoise is accessing this because I have given the URL of this, okay, repository, and he is accessing that by sitting in US. Okay, so now right click on this file, Tortoise SVN, add. There is a add option down. Yeah, add this. Okay, just say okay. Just say okay. So now right click on this file. Okay, before committing, see, now you are added, right? Just go and check in Visual SVN again whether that file exists or not. See, it doesn't appear. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll commit that file. Okay, minimize this. Now right click on this file. Just say Tata is SVN commit is there. Now click on SVN commit. Wait. There. See, it is asking for message. Okay, you have to give a proper message. So just say this is my first or phase one, development phase one. No. PHASE. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So just say okay. Now it will ask for username, password. Give username, password, and uncheck that save authentication. User one and whatever password. Uncheck that save authentication. Say okay. Say okay. Okay. Now go and check in the Visual SVN. Refresh this. There is a green mark. Okay. Refresh. Yeah. See,
Yes.
now this file is visible here. Okay. So here you can't see the content. If you click on that, you can't see the content. Okay. Again, if you want to see the content and all, you have to use the visual Tata SSPN. Otherwise, you can go to the browser. Go to the browser where you have checked out this.
Sorry, sir.
Go to the browser where you have checked out this trunk. No? Okay. Again, give the URL. Copy the URL and give it here.
The trunk one.
Yeah, wait. Right side, what is there? Just right side. That after download, in the top address bar, there is a, after download, you have something, here. Already, I think you have opened that, right?
Demo repo.
I didn't get you, sir.
There, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಎಸ್ವಿನ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 3 ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅಲ್ವಾ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮೇಲೆ ರೀ ಅದು ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಎಸ್ವಿನ್ ಓಕೆ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಎಸ್ವಿನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನೋ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ
ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
See, you have already accessed this. Now go to the trunk and see whether that file is there or not.
This trunk or that, sir?
Yeah. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡಿ. That is the trunk. See, you have this file. Okay,
Yeah.
now open this file and see the content. See, you are able to see here.
Yeah.
Okay. So, see, this server is present somewhere else. Okay, through the browser you are accessing and you are able to see this file. So, but this file is added in the folder called US. Okay, some person who is sitting in US, he has done this modification. Okay, now this is fine. Now the US team says that my work is done. Okay, I have done some coding. Now he will say Indian team can take over this and they can continue the work. Okay, so now what happens? Now Indian team, the user 2 wants to access it. Now how he is going to access? Same process. Now go to the India folder. Okay, right click, check out. Okay, see, he is checking out the trunk and then SVN_India /trunk. You give /trunk.
Sorry, sir. Can you please?
/trunk, right? Whatever you're downloading, trunk, na? Give the trunk, right? Trunk. Say okay. Wait. Now this is India team. Okay, we'll consider user 1 as a present in US and user 2 is present in India. Give user 2. Uncheck that save authentication after password. Give the password. Say okay. See, now the trunk is checked out to India. Go and check whether that file is exists or not. ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Now you have to check in your local machine. Check whether, see, imagine the scenario is like this. Okay, minimize this. India folder ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. Okay, what is the scenario ಇಲ್ಲಿ? You have two teams. One is sitting in US and another one sitting in India. See, US, the team member who is sitting in US, he has added the file and he will say that my work is done. Okay. Now for them, it is night. Okay. US team, they have completed the work. They will say the Indian team to work on this same code. So if you want to work, what you will do, you'll create a folder Indian something SVN India folder. Then you will go to that and you will check out the trunk. Just go to that SVN India. See, now there is a trunk, you are checked out. When you check
Mm.
out this trunk now, whatever present in the trunk, it should present here also. Just go inside trunk and see. See that file is present. So who is okay added this file? This is added by the US team. Now open and see what is there inside this. Something they are written. Okay. Now India team is going to work on this. Okay. Just type something here. Second line. Okay. The change done by India team ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು should be proper thing. Okay. Okay. Save this.
Yes, sir.
Close this. Save this. Close this.
Yeah, see it.
Okay. Now you have saved this. Okay.
Hmm.
Now see you have done the changes in India. Now go to US and see whether this change is available or not.
No.
It is not available.
Yeah.
Okay. Because same file, another team is modifying. So because the India team, they have their own directory, that is their own system. Imagine that US SVN underscore US is another system. India SVN underscore India is another system. Okay, two developers are working. Now this second developer has done the changes, but it is not visible in US. Okay, now go to India, close this. Okay, so here you have done some changes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just go inside and see the changes is present here. Okay, now I want to commit these changes to the repository. It is in your local, but when you go to the repository server and see this change won't be there. Just go to that browser. See, this change is not here. Okay, it is not updated here. So if you want to, okay, synchronize the changes. If you want to push the changes from your local to the server, then you have to do the commit. Okay. Now go to the server, Visual Tata SVN. Close. Okay, ಕೊಡಿ ಇದು okay ಕೊಡಿ ಇದು ಹಳೇದಿದೆ. Okay. Just go to the SVN India folder. SVN India folder. Okay. Now try to commit this. Right click and commit.
SVN
It will
commit.
give SVN commit. It will give an error. Okay, let us see. Just type some message. Change from India. Say okay.
User
Okay.
to
User 2. Unsave. Uncheck. Wait, uncheck. Say
Yeah.
okay. Say okay. See, access is forbidden. So you don't have access for this. Okay. So for this, what you have to do is go to the Visual SVN. Okay. Here, go to users. Okay. Wait. Right click on demo repository. Right click on demo repository. Properties. Now user 2. Select user 2. Change read write permission. Say apply okay. Okay. Now, okay. Minimize this. Okay. Now say okay. Okay. Now try to commit it. Now try to commit. Say okay. Now it will allow. Okay. Previously you don't have any permission to do that. So now it is okay. Say okay. Now go to browser and check that file. Just refresh this file. Refresh. Yeah. See, now the changes is appeared in the server. Okay. Now, see, from India team, they have done the changes and they are committed. But if you go and check in the US team, okay, they can't see this change. Just go to US folder. So now India team is done. Okay, they have done the changes. Now they'll ask US team to go through that and do some modification. Now see, in US team, this is not reflected. Okay, so if you want to get the changes, you have to take an update. Close this file. Right click on that file. Say SVN update. User 1. Save authentic, uncheck that. Say okay. Say okay. And now open the file and see. Now you are able to see this. Okay. Again, do some changes here.
Yes, sir.
Third line, yeah, do some changes. Write something. Write something, whatever you want. Save this,
Yes, sir.
commit it. Close that file. Close all the files. Notepad. Commit,
Yes. Okay.
commit. After doing changes, you have to commit it. Once you commit, the changes will be transferred to the server. Okay. Write something. Change from US, whatever you want to. Yeah, say okay. Uncheck that. Okay, say okay. Okay, so now you have committed the changes. Go to the server, browser, refresh and see. Now in server you can see, but go to the India team and check India folder, same file. This change is not reflected. So what you have to do now?
Update.
Yeah, close this file. Close my file. If you want to take the changes from the central server to here, then you have to take update. Uncheck ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅದು ಅಥೆಂಟಿಕೇಶನ್.
Okay, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay, sir.
ಈಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂದ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಥೆಂಟಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಯೂಸರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ 2 ಇಂದನೇ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂದ ಯೂಸರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅನ್ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಸೇವ್ ಅಥೆಂಟಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಅನ್ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ದಟ್ ಫೈಲ್, ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಸೊ what is the process now? First, okay, the administrator will create the trunk, okay, or repository and trunk, and he will give the access for the users. Okay, developer sitting on different locations, US, India. Okay, they're going to work on this. First thing what they have to do to get the changes from the server, they have to do the checkout. Once you do the checkout, you will get a trunk. Then US team will add one file and they will commit it. So once you do the commit, the changes whichever done in your local system, it will transfer to the server. Okay, and then now India team, if they want the changes to their local system, first thing they have to do the checkout. Okay. Once they do the checkout, they'll get the trunk and all the files. Next onwards, whatever you'll do the changes, okay, you'll commit it. Once you commit, again the changes from one location, it will transfer to the server. So from the other location, if you want to see the changes, next time you will take the update. First time you have to do the checkout. Okay. Next time onwards, you have to take the update. Before doing anything, you take the update. So that the changes will be reflected from the server. So like this, two teams, okay, which is sitting in US and which is sitting in India, they are collaboratively working on this same file. Okay. Got it? Okay, close this. So we'll stop at this stage. Okay. So we'll do it in the next class.
Okay, sir.
So everybody will have the recording. Okay. So just go through this and take a time. Tomorrow anyway will be having a time. So practice this. And then in the next class, if you have any doubts, everybody should practice this. Okay. So that's why we're giving a 1 day gap. So you'll be having a recording. Everybody just practice this tomorrow. And if you
Sir.
have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class. Before continuing, okay, you can ask any doubts. So we'll clarify that and then we'll continue the next topic. Okay. Any questions?
Sir, where can I find my recording, sir?
ಯಾರ್ರೀ ಇದ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಏನ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ ಯಾರ್ರೀ ಅದ ಯಾರದ ಕೇಳಿದೀಗ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್
Sir, Satish, sir, Sailada.
సైడరా ఏ మీకు చెప్పాం కదప్పా రికార్డ్ చేసుకుంటా ఏమిటి చేయలేదు
Cheers. Okay, sir, I will.
ఎక్కడ నీ పేరు ఎక్కడ ఉంది సతీష్ వెర్ ఇస్ యువర్ నేమ్
Sir, Saila.
ఓకే వెయిట్ ఐ థింక్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు ద ల్యాప్టాప్ ఆర్ డెస్క్టాప్ రైట్
Sir, no, sir, I'm doing it in laptop only, sir, from starting.
then why you are not getting this recording option just a minute Kirtana okay transfer the host to me Kirtana
Sir.
transfer the host to me okay the participant hogi go to participant select my name okay make me as a host Satish you're not okay you not got this recording option hey it's there no recording option Shail.
Okay, sir, I will.
I think, okay, whenever you complete the session now, 40 minutes, 45 minute session, okay, the record will be downloaded something like documents. Go to the documents, inside that documents, okay, you'll be having a Zoom meetings.
Okay, sir,
See,
okay, sir.
there will be a Zoom
Okay, sir,
meeting.
I will take.
In that folder, okay, each session will be recorded, 45 minutes recording.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you got that
Okay, sir.
now? Go to documents and
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Documents in June.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, DevOps training, everything is there, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Anybody
Thank
else?
you.
Anybody else, any questions? I think today it's a long session, because of the theory part, okay?
Yeah.
Next day onwards, there won't be much theory, everything will be practical. So next time onwards, we'll stop at 2 hours only, okay? I think today it took some time. Okay. Anybody, any questions? Hope Renard got bored, right? Okay, anybody, any questions? Okay, if no questions, we'll continue in the next class, okay? Okay then, thanks everyone, have a good day.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, sir, thank you.